To properly install HEPA filter in Tikom L8000, first of all you'll need to grab your dustbin and then make sure it's removed. You can watch my other video on how to remove that dustbin, and then when you're ready you can open the hatch, and here's the place where you should insert your HEPA filter. So first grab the filter itself like this. There's always this cloth on the side, and I'm just gonna make sure that this stays out and is inserted like that. Okay, so make sure that this cloth right here is out, and then we can grab our HEPA filter cover, place it like this, then grab the plastic cover, and then make sure that this hinge right here is facing the upper side, and put it in like this. It goes a bit hard, so you need to actually use some force to insert it. Okay. And here we have it, so our HEPA filter is properly installed. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.